The POS Foundation is a civil society organization in Ghana that focuses its activities on the promotion of human rights, access to justice, which is criminal justice, youth development, law and policy reforms. The POS Foundation is a partner to the Incarcerations Nations Network. And in Ghana, we facilitate the state-led Justice for All program, which is to set up mobile in-prison special court in our prisons to adjudicate remand or pre-trial cases in our prisons. We do this to be able to give justice to those who are on pre-trial or remand for years and have not had their cases heard across the various prisons in our country. So in one of the cases at Ankafo prisons, the court released a 63-year-old man who had been on pre-trial for more than 20 years. And these are some of the cases that the court goes to the prisons to adjudicate such cases and give them justice by either granting them bail, discharging them, or even those who need to plea bargain and get convicted are done so that justice is served. With COVID, we have tried and managed as stakeholders to see that justice is not halted in any part of our country. So there were directives from the Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana, the Director General of Ghana Prisons, and the state attorneys, that is the Director of Public Prosecution. We had several of them too from the police. This collaboration in Ghana yielded positive results to the extent that all courts were sitting and cases were being heard. Though prisoners were restricted and they were not allowed to come to court, the protocols put in place made it successful such that as we're talking with you, with the help of civil society and government partnership and these stakeholders I earlier mentioned, we have not recorded any case of COVID-19 in our prisons, and that is through the collaborative effort and the coordination of the security agencies in terms of the protocols that is set to be sure that these things are off our prisons. Again, the Justice for All program have not sat from January up to this time. In the beauty of COVID, the Chief Justice and the Justice in charge of the program have approved of a proposal that we are going to go on a digital or virtual court system. In this case, the judge, with the preparation that have been made, will sit in Accra, the capital city, and will be at the Judicial Service head office. While the POS Foundation, facilitators of the Justice for All program, will have our partners and our officers in the said or selected prisons, where the remand list that qualifies to stand trial or to appear before the Justice for All court will be made available. Therefore, internet and devices that are supposed to be made available to make sure that internet connectivity is at the various prisons within the rural areas to let the court sit without any breaks or without any hitches have all been made available. And with that, the government of Ghana and for civil society, OSIWA, Open Society Foundation, are the people funding this particular digital court system. This is because for remand cases, you need to appear before a judge in most cases. And for that matter, they appearing in court on screen serves the same purpose. Lawyers and the state will also be in their comfort zone or offices to also argue on the various cases that will be called before this particular court. So in times of COVID, we will say that POS Foundation, in partnership with the state, which is the Judicial Service that coordinates the Justice for All program, as we do the running and the facilitation of the program, is about to go digital to adjudicate remand cases using the virtual court system, which the mechanism have been put in place. We are so excited that COVID came and it did not break down our criminal justice system in our country. We are again extremely excited that COVID have also made us improvise, and by improvising, it has given us another level of technology and bringing dynamism to the way justice is administered in our jurisdiction.